Okay guys, we're back. While we're waiting for Paige, short plans, video settings. Okay, what am I looking for, Paige? I used to know what I'm looking for. Okay, any Paige to hurry up, please? Hurry up, Paige. Yeah, okay, we'll just wait for Paige. They're the best in seconds, guys. Okay guys, we're back. We're going to be making a house. I decided we will make a house. So first you need to put blue concrete in, or any colour. Concrete, it has to be concrete, and you need to go down, or count as soon as I finish. So you need to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you need to go down 13. There's page 2 there, 13, and then you need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you need to count 4 in. 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to delete one block in the middle of the floor. Then you need to go, and then you need to go one out on the side, so it'd be 5. And then 4 in, or just square. Then you need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Page 11. Then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No. 5, 6, 7. Page, you're not supposed to be doing that. Well, yes, house shape is supposed to look like this. It can be any shape, but it looks like this. With blue concrete. Okay. So you need to get pink concrete after, and then you need to put 2 like this. Paige, can you help me? Okay, you need to keep doing this until it's finished. The shape is finished.
Pink concrete.
Yeah, pink concrete.
5.
Okay, Paige, you do the rest. So you just need to do it like that. Then you need to get to magenta concrete, and then you need to put it into the middle of these. Okay, so I'm just going to go do this now. It's never good to have a straight house. Okay. You need magenta. Page next. You'll need purple concrete. So as you can see, we've done this, and now you need to get purple concrete. It looks a little bit like blue. You need to go on the pinks. Okay, you need to do this around. Just need to go around and sit around until it's finished. Then you need to get green wall, lime concrete. Paige, can you please do the little bits I've missed, like the corners and that? It's just talking to Paige Tube.
What is it? This is not lime because it's lime concrete sand.
No, I'm not using. It's not sand. It's just lime concrete. No sand.
Lime concrete.
Yeah, just lime concrete. Paige is trying to use lime concrete sand. Paige, have you filled the corners in? No, you haven't. I cast. Paige. So this is part 1. So this is what all we're doing today, and then tomorrow we'll be doing a new part. See you guys.